Hey everybody, welcome to week 5 of your capstone experience. We are a third of the way through the semester, and what we're going to be doing from here on out is really starting to self-pace the course. So at this point, we've laid a really solid foundation down for each of you to start building off of your projects. But what you'll find is we're really only going to be doing journal entries as your full-blown assignment for a little while until you end up completing your data collection and start producing your final project. So far, everybody has done a great job. We have some really unique projects that everybody's working on. I'm excited to see the final results. For the next couple weeks, what we'll be doing is I'll give you tasks in order to help you stay on pace. But I do recognize that some of you will be facing different challenges. My original research group, we've just gone through CPHS, so we're going to be waiting to hear back on your projects. So we'll have a slightly different timeline. For my critically appraised topic and evidence-based practice group, what we're going to be doing now is really finding those resources to help support your writing and the presentation that you'll be giving. So at this point, what I'll be doing is posting the remaining information you'll need for the semester, and you can navigate through it at your own pace. So if you have the opportunity to get things done a little bit quicker, then you're welcome to do so. What I'll do is make myself available to you. So if you have any questions along the way, we can either have a conference call or a Skype call. We can screen share, whatever you need to make this successful. Let me know, and I hope you guys have a great week. Thanks.